Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can delete credit cards or debit cards or bank account from your own Shopify store. Okay, this is going to be an easy and quick video. I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this tutorial. That would be highly appreciated. Now what you guys need to do, you want to log into your Shopify store. Okay, now I'm going to log to one of my Shopify store where I used my credit card, because this is, as you can see, this is just let's say, for example, I just created this new store, and as you can see, when I go to settings and plan, as you can see, I haven't selected any plan on this new store. So I'm going to switch to my store where I added my credit card information. I'm going to click on this store. Okay, nice. Okay, so after you are on the dashboard of your Shopify store, you want to click on settings and you want to click on plan. Okay, now after, guys, you click on plan, as you can see, it says here I'm sorry, you want to click on billing. Okay, at the back, as you can see below plan, you want to click on billing. Now as you can see, this is exactly how okay, it says here okay, so what you guys need to do, as you can see, is okay, so you want to click here where it says, as you can see, I added my MasterCard, as you can see, ending in 0647, and it tried multiple times to charge my card. Okay, now what you are going to do in this case is you want to click here, okay, this pen icon here next to your MasterCard or Visa card, click on it. Nice. Now after that, here these three little dots, as you can see next to MasterCard, three little dots, it says here replace. Okay, so you can either replace your card, okay, or you can add like another card and remove this one, because they are not going to allow you to remove the card if you don't have a backup. Like, for example, if you don't have two cards, you will not be able to remove one. Okay, and also you cannot remove, for example, if you only have one card here, you will not be able to remove, because you want to make sure that they charge your card. Now what you are going to do in this case is you want to go to plan. Okay, here where it says plan, click on it, and you want to scroll down at the very bottom and you want to click on deactivate store. Now if you don't click on deactivate store, they will keep charging your card. Okay, that's exactly what's going to happen. Okay, so you will have to deactivate your store, and then the card will be removed and the account will stay inactive. Okay, you want to click on deactivate store here, and then you want to select here to deactivate store. They will ask you guys to switch to pause and build mode, but don't do that. Just click on deactivate store. Okay, and that's exactly, guys, how you can deactivate your store. Okay, and to remove the card completely, you will have to deactivate your store, and this card will not work. Or you can just do like I did. I just paused, I just went to the application of my Payoneer account, or you can replace it with a card that doesn't work anymore. That's what I did exactly here. Okay, so that's exactly what you need to do. Okay, hopefully this one, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, and see you guys. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, please. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next one.